Mandeep, let's demonstrate parking on a hill, please. Signal right, my brother, shoulder check. Pull over by the curb. Use the right side mirror to help you, the round mirror. We'll do uphill with a curb. Straighten your one back, that's it. Stop your car. Now, Mandeep, I'm going to show you the proper way to do it. Put the car to neutral, my brother. Check that rear view. Now, what we're going to do in a second is you're going to lift off the brake a little bit, but you're going to turn the wheel quickly to the left. Uphill with a curb is to the left. It's the only one that goes to the left. Everything else is to the right. So when you're ready, ease off that brake and turn left all the way. Just turn it all the way. No braking at all, because the car will stop on its own. Now push the brake with your foot. Now I want you to engage the parking brake first and then hard, and then put it into park. Always remember, that's it, my brother. Always engage the parking brake first on a hill, because it secures your transmission. You know, you feel that roly-poly thing happening, that's not necessarily good for your car. So a good driver knows. Now when we leave here, what I'm going to get you to do is I'm going to get you to put it in drive first, Mandeep. Okay. And then you disengage the brake afterwards, because it's better for the car itself. So let's go ahead when you're ready. Put yourself in drive. Foot's on the brake. Take your parking brake off, Mandeep. Check your rear view mirror, signal left, shoulder check, lift off the brake, Mandeep, and straighten the wheels to the right first, then bring the gas in. Double check again, and push. That's it, my brother. Good. Glance to the right, straight ahead, my brother. Push.